everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm just going to be giving you one very quick home remedy to take care of dandruff. Dandruff is usually caused by a dry scalp, not having enough oils in your scalp. Sometimes if you've used something that like sharing some hair products with people which you shouldn't have shared, products like combs etc can easily cause dandruff. Only one home remedy or one item to take care of this, and this is apple cider vinegar. So if you want to see how you're going to do it, please just keep on watching this video. It's a very short video and I'm just going to show you how to take care of dandruff from the comfort of your home in 2 minutes. Let's go. So guys, I've got the solution here. I have my apple cider vinegar. I'm using the raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. This is the organic unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. Apple cider is very good for so many things. I am sure a lot of us are aware of this. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's good for the skin, it's good for the hair as well. And this is the only thing I'm going to be using to take care of dandruff. You don't need to use a plethora of so many things. With your raw apple cider vinegar, you're sure this can take care of dandruff. And I have some water here. So I have my apple cider and I'm just going to give this a shake because it's settled at the bottom. You can see all this. You need to give it a shake so that it's evenly distributed. I have my spray bottle here as well. Be easy for it to be distributed in your hair. So I've shaken this. I'm just going to pour a bit of apple cider vinegar into my spray bottle. I'm going to add some water to dilute it. So like an equal proportion. So basically this is just it. This is the apple cider vinegar and the water, which I'm just giving a very good shake right now. So let's go back to applying it on my hair. So basically this is what you need to do. You can do this if you have cornrows. I have cornrows here. Or you can do this if your hair is like loosened, anyone that works for you. Just make sure that this solution gets to your scalp. So if you have dandruff, I don't have dandruff, but I'm just trying to prefer a solution. I don't need to have it before I can prefer a solution. Like doctors don't need to go through or have some particular illnesses before they prefer the solution to it. So I'm just going to give you what will take care of dandruff. So this is the apple cider vinegar and with water, and I have mixed it together. My spray bottle, I'm just going to spray it like so to my scalp. See? And I'm just going to make sure that I massage it well into my scalp. Apart from it taking care of dandruff, it's also good for hair growth. It will help you to kill all the bacteria or any residue of that in your hair, and it's very good for maintaining the pH level of your hair. So if you're looking for how to even out your hair, this is very good for you. You can use it on both natural and permed hair. You don't have to decide whether, okay, this is for permed hair or this is for natural hair. You can use it on any kind of hair, absolutely. So just do this, massage it into your hair very well. Make sure it gets to your scalp very well. You can leave it overnight. When I had dandruff, I left it overnight and just cover with a satin bonnet or a shower cap and go to bed like that, or with a t-shirt. Wrap your hair around in a t-shirt. Just make sure that it's well like moisturized or well masked with the apple cider vinegar. You can go to bed like that, but if you can't stand the smell, or if you just feel it's going to be too much of a bother, then you can wash it with a mild shampoo like after 30 minutes. If you do this consistently, like if your hair is in cornrows or if it's loosened, for just 2 or 3 days, you will see that all the dandruff is gone. And make sure you take care of what caused the dandruff in the first place. Like I said, sometimes when your hair is too dry or you've used some other utensils that you're not supposed to use, like hair products that belong to other people, you might tend to have dandruff. Sometimes even when you fix your hair and the hair is too tight or is like not too comfortable, it can also give rise to dandruff. So just make sure you also address the root cause, so I don't go back to treating it over and over again. But I can bet you that apple cider vinegar in a spray bottle will do the magic for you. So this is my video for today. Kindly thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Please some of your suggestions so that I can touch on other topics that you want me to address. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, now is a good time for you to subscribe. Don't forget to also turn on the notification bell for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Just stay beautiful. Bye guys.
Do you understand the formula? Do you understand the formula?
Adobe.
Do you understand the formula? The formula, formula.
Adobe.
Do you understand the formula? Do you understand the formula?
Adobe.
Do you understand the formula?